Hello everyone, this is Alex, the driving instructor from SenSen Driving School. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to perform a two-point turn like a boss. Two-point turns can be used when you need to maneuver yourself around back the way you came from, using a driveway or alleyway. And here is a picture of how you would maneuver. When performing a two-point turn, make sure to use extreme caution. Don't attempt it in traffic, around pedestrians, around intersections, or where your vision is obstructed or limited by a curve in the road or if a hill is nearby. Steps for two-point turn. Signal right, and when safe, pull over to the right side of the road, parallel to the curb if there is one. Drive past the driveway that you plan to back up into and stop. Check if there is traffic coming from either direction, oncoming, or from behind. Fourth step, put the car in reverse. Next, do a 360 degrees check. When safe, slowly back up and quickly steer your wheel all the way to the right. Remember to keep looking behind you through the back window to check for hazards. That's a 360 check map. So left shoulder check, left mirror, rear view mirror, right shoulder check, and right behind you through the back window. Make sure when you steer your wheel to the right, you don't do it too early. You'll end up driving up onto the curb. Note, just before your back bumper is lined up with the end of the driveway, you can sharply steer your wheel to the right. Next, go until you are perpendicular to the road. Then you want to shift your car back into drive, straighten out your wheel, signal left, check for traffic coming from both directions, shoulder check left, and turn when safe. Okay, that's enough of me explaining it. Let's see this in action. Okay, signal right, shoulder check right, pulling past the driveway or alleyway, keeping the signal on. Reverse, 360 check, slowly backing up and quickly steering the wheel all the way to the right. And we are going until we are perpendicular to the road. See how I'm still checking the mirrors, looking behind, checking the mirrors. Stopping when perpendicular, straighten out the wheel. Drive, signal left, mirror, shoulder check. Looking both ways before turning. Okay, let's see another example. Signal right, shoulder check. Pulling over past the driveway, keeping the signal on. Reverse, 360 check, slowly backing up, quickly steering the wheel all the way to the right, still looking behind, still checking the mirrors, going until we're perpendicular to the road, straighten out, back and drive. So I waited here because of the car coming from the right. Then when they were gone, signal left, mirror, shoulder check. Okay, another example. Again, signal right, shoulder check, pulling over past the driveway. Reverse, 360. So as I'm backing up, I'm waiting for my back bumper to line up with the edge of the driveway or alleyway before I start turning all the way to the right. Getting perpendicular, straighten out, drive, signal, mirror, shoulder check. Okay, let's see me perform a 2-point turn from the outside. Okay, signal right, shoulder check, pull over past the driveway, reverse 360 check, slowly backing up until the back bumpers match up, and then quickly steering the wheel all the way to the right, backing up perpendicular to the road, straighten out the wheel. Of course, I'm waiting for the big truck to drive by. Signal left, back and drive, mirror, shoulder check, and turn when safe. Okay, one more example from the outside. Again, signal right, pulling over. Reverse 360 check, waiting for my back bumper to line up with the edge of the driveway. Then I quickly steer the wheel all the way to the right, backing up until I am perpendicular to the road. Straighten out, waiting for the cyclist there, back and drive, signal left, mirror, shoulder check, turn when safe. Two-point turns, again, can be used when you need to maneuver yourself around the back or around back the way you came from, using a driveway or alleyway. And again, when performing a 2-point turn, make sure to use extreme caution. Don't attempt it in traffic, around pedestrians, around intersections, or where your vision is obstructed or limited by a curve in the road, or if a hill is nearby. Okay, that's it for now. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment below, and let me know what you would like to see more from this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.